So I'm at Cottrells, 66 Auto Repair. He's closing down for a long time. His family owned this place. Let's go inside, guys, and talk to Mr. Dale himself. There's the building here. I'm with Dale Cottrell right now, here at Dale Cottrell 66 station, right?
Yep, Cottrell 66 Service Center.
Cottrell 66 Service Center. Can you tell me a little history of your place?
We opened this up, and my mom and dad, Bob Cottrell and Juanita Cottrell, opened this up August 8th, 1969. We had one small bay and 2 gas pumps in this office. They got a chance to buy it. They bought it. My dad had his work injury and was handicapped with one hand. And then when we got things situated, we built onto it 2 more bays, and more gas pumps, sold used cars. And we stayed open there for the first 7.5 years, from 5 in the morning to 10 at night, and 6 to 6 on Sunday, and we shut down half a day, 4 hours for Christmas Day, until we got everything paid off, and then we started slowing down some. But I've been proud to serve the community here for all these years, 56 years. And when people talk about this a long time, I say, well, you're looking at 7 decades, over half a century, so it's been a long time.
So you said your dad was a worker here? He was just a worker here first?
Yeah, my mom and dad opened this place up.
Oh, so they actually opened it?
Yep. Then I came on. They opened it a year after I graduated high school, and then I came back here. I've been out in California, and I came back here and went to work with them and helped them out.
Oh, nice. Was it? You said 67. You said
69.
What got your dad into doing the business?
He had lost a hand in a diesel shop accident, and he could use it but didn't have much use in it, and so he had to do something because it was down to the last $36.
Oh wow.
So he got a chance to lease this, and then bought it, and as they say, the rest is history.
Was your dad born and raised in Baxter?
We were originally from Springdale, Arkansas.
Oh, Springdale, Arkansas. So they just moved down here, your parents and with you, or?
We moved up here in 1959. My dad was always a diesel mechanic, and he got a job with Yellow Freight.
Oh, nice.
Out here as a diesel mechanic, and that's how we moved up here.
Oh, that's cool. What's the craziest story you remember being here for?
Well, there's been a few crazy ones. We had a guy that killed 2 people worked here for a while, kid.
Oh wow.
And that was kind of spooky after he got arrested for these murders.
Oh wow, I bet.
Considering we had our back turned to him all the time, so.
Oh yeah, that would be scary.
It was different.
Do you remember the first car you worked on here? Or?
Probably in 1955 Bel Air I had. That was probably my first car I worked on up here.
Now what was your dad's name again?
Bob.
Bob?
Yeah.
And how long you worked for Yellow Freight in Baxter here?
He worked there probably about 4 years, 3 or 4 years.
Was he a mechanic there?
He was a diesel mechanic.
Oh, that's cool.
And they kept having layoffs, so he had to feed a family, so he got a job over at diesel shop over at Joplin, where Sunflower Sales, or it was called Sunflower Sales, and it's where Academy is now.
Oh well. Oh wow. Is this the office that you're in now? Is this the original?
It's the original office.
And you build on those 2?
Built on the back 2 bays.
Oh yeah, and they serve gas here too?
Yep, we had 4 gas pumps out front, and we had 2 gas pumps over here on the south side of the building.
Oh, nice, nice.
And then we sold used cars on the side and all kinds of mechanic work.
Oh, nice. So what else you gonna plan to do after you retire?
I don't know. I'll find something to do.
What I see, like a metal plaque there. What's that for? Is that DX station?
That's some Wiz DX for. They had it there. That was in 1978. That was presented to my dad for Sunoco DX.
Oh wow!
So it's one of their outstanding appearance.
Oh, that's cool. Nice. Did your mom work here in this store too? Help out?
Yeah. She did all the book work and everything.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like your decoration you got for the 6-6 around here. You guys been a big part of 6-6. I know you own the other station over there. Was that you guys before you bought that, or?
No, I bought that back in the 90s. I ran it for 12 years.
Yeah, I remember that.
I was up here during that time. I was working here during the days, working there at nights.
Oh yeah.
And my daughters, they worked down there. My wife worked down there, son.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
It's been a family affair.
Oh yeah. So you got no ideas what you're gonna do on retirement?
No.
Did you want to do any traveling or anything?
I traveled there for quite a while. I've been to every state but Alaska and Hawaii. And wife, since she's had 3 strokes, she can't hardly ever leave the house. So I figure my traveling days are probably through.
Yeah, I understand that. I can understand that. Well, Dale, I really appreciate you being a part of 6-6 and everything, and we're gonna miss you and everything like that. But you're still always gonna be a part of 6-6. You're having an auction here on Sunday afternoon. So a piece of history is gonna be gone. And
yeah, I'm gonna miss seeing all the people because I'd have people stop here every day. Used to take pictures of the Route 66 signs and stuff.
Oh yeah. What's the most? What's the memorial? What's the tourist that you can remember the most? That funny tourist story that somebody did here.
Well, the furthest tourist I had here was from New Zealand, and he bought an old van, and he was traveling Route 66 with his dog.
Oh wow!
And then I had a brother and sister and 2 of their friends from Amsterdam. They'd bought a van up in Chicago, and they was having some car trouble, and I worked on it for them. And they were going to San Francisco, and they was going to sell their van when they got out there and then fly back.
Oh wow!
I was kind of kidding them. I said about San Francisco. I said, well, you picked a crazy city to go to. I said, you don't have anything like that where you're from. They said, yeah, Amsterdam.
Yeah, Amsterdam can be pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So is this license plate here anything special or anything?
It's just, I had these license plates for decoration.
Yeah.
That's from 1942.
Check out that, guys. So and that's actually metal, ain't the plastic like they used to have.
Metal.
Oh, that's awesome.
And
yeah.
I think the oldest plate I've got is 1939.
Oh, nice.
And I found this one oil bottle today, and it was made from Lynchfield, Illinois.
Wow.
September 14th, 1926.
Wow, and that's
So
the original oil?
Yeah, it's still got oil in it.
Wow.
So it'll be the centennial for the celebration of Route 66. This was made in 1926.
Oh wow.
There's the date on it right there.
That's crazy.
So you never know what you're going to find.
Oh yeah, you got so much treasure.
I've had it sitting up there on the shelf for 30 years.
Wow. That's. Are you keeping that?
Probably will. I don't know.
You should keep that. I've been here forever. I wouldn't use the oil though.
No. I have no idea how old that oil is.
I don't even know if it's still good or not.
I doubt it. Still get you dirty.
Oh yeah, well, it'll still do that job. Well, that's cool. Thank you so much. What are you hoping to see that this place going to be after
I don't know, I hope somebody buys it and makes some use, be good to them like it was good to us. A lot of time, and a lot of hard work, and a lot of memories.
Oh yeah. Now, let me ask you one more question about your dad. How long you said he worked here?
Dad was here 26 years before he passed away.
26 years?
Yeah. He died in 1995, and my mother passed away in 2000.
Oh well. Did it close down any, or just picked it right up after?
No. The only days we was ever closed is we'd be closed down for Memorial Day and Labor Day, 4th of July, and Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's the only days we're closed.
Oh yeah. Well, thank you for. Is there anything else you'd like to say or anything before?
Oh, don't know of anything, Mike.
Yeah, thank you for doing this, and you're gonna be missed in the area, and we'll still see you around here.
I'll still be around.
That yeah, his daughters was just here, and they didn't stay for, so they're just him here. Thank you so much. I hope you you enjoy your next adventures and everything.
Well, I appreciate that.
If you guys come around here Sunday, this will probably be posted before then, but Sunday the auction, are you selling the building outside the auction or during the auction?
No, outside the auction.
How much are?
I don't know for sure what we're going to ask for it. We're just selling the contents this weekend.
Oh yeah.
Sunday.
Well, keep an eye out, guys. If you want a piece of historical 66, and this is the place soon, whenever they want to. So yeah, thank you so much, Dale.
Well, you appreciate it, Mike.
Oh, no problem. I hope you have a good one.
Hey, you too. Thank you.
Who's that guy next to him there?
That's my brother Wes there. That's me, and that's my dad.
So he was a little taller than you.
Yep. Dad was the runt of this family.
Oh, really?
He was a little over 6'3", and another brother was 6'5". His oldest brother's 6'8".
Wow. So he was he the youngest?
He was the middle.
So was it full service?
Yeah, we were full service. That's back when you washed the windshields, checked the air in the tires, checked their oil.
Wow.
That's a picture of my mom and dad.
Oh. And that's a picture of all you boys?
Yeah, that's a picture of my dad and me and a couple of his cousins. It didn't dawn on until I saw it in 1926. I said, well, that's been here since '66.
You even got some of the original. That's been here for a long time, wasn't it?
Been here a little while.
Did your mom decorate this place for Christmas a lot?
I did. I was always did the decorating. Put the wallpaper up in here, and I had these license plates all the way around the ceiling. They just took.
So was this the original bay here? Because you had one bay, right? Yeah, this is the original one. There's the bay. This is a family-owned business here on Route 66. They serviced many cars for many years. It's a family-owned business. There's a sign there. He is auto repair, air conditioning, alignments, brakes, computer diagnostics, timing belts, batteries, flats fixed, new tire sales, oil changes, and suspension repairs. Open 8 to 5, Monday to Friday, Cottrells Service Center. There's his old 66 sign up there. Pretty cool, guys. The original Route 66 on Kansas, right here. That building over there used to be a stores, and that used to be a Jeep factory over there in that building. Now it's a residential house. They sell hand-cooked tires and more. Beautiful building, guys. Part of Route 66 right here. This is the original side of the building, he said. They built on to different ones. They have a different, places here they built. It's a new build, right? This was all the original here. This is the original part of the building. And this part over here is the newer part of the building. So we're standing right next to Route 66, the fast lube sign. And right there on the side of the road is 66. Right there, that was the old Jeep building. The auction's happening October 5th, Sunday. So there's the front end of the building. I'm on the other side of Route 66 right here. It's pretty busy out here. It's a busy highway. Everybody's traveling. And this is the front end of the building. Let's get closer. This is, I'm across the street from Route 66 here. And this is the front end of the building. And I'm getting ready to cross the street here, but it's pretty busy. And let's cross real fast, guys, for 66 on 5th Street right there. So this is where the original gas pumps were. So you see the light was there one time. And yeah, this is the gas pumps. He said they were on the side there too. Look at that light pole there. Piece of Route 66, guys, going away. Guys, this is the last of the video, and you guys make sure you remember the 66 guys and people who has family businesses on this road. Thank you so much, Dale, and thank you for you and your family for being a part of Route 66. Thank you.